people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bit of a different video. I thought I would attempt cutting my hair, so it's either gonna be a helpful thing, or if it goes really bad, it's just gonna be as an example what not to do if you want to cut your own hair at home. But you know, my hair is really dry and sort of like, yeah, it feels really bad, so I was like, okay, let's cut my hair. And as well, I wanted to try a little bit of layering to give it a bit of, you know, form and shape to my hair, because right now it's all like really long and it just, you know, puffs out because it's really curly, as you will see. I'll show you right now how it is. So yeah, I thought I would do that with you, whether it goes well or not, and maybe also we'll do a little workout in the afternoon. So yeah, I just wanted to mix and match it rather than just do, you know, a workout video and whatever else. I would just bring you along with me during the day, so I hope you like it. As I said, yeah, I never cut my hair successfully before, so I have no idea what to expect. But basically what I'm going to do now is just quickly going to make it wet, because as I'll show you right now, it just is a bit like out of shape and it's a bit weird. It goes really long, almost to my waist, and as you can see, it's really like out of shape and just, I really don't like it. So yeah, I'm just going to get it wet and then we will just start with the cutting. We'll see. Alright, so we're back. My hair is nice and wet. I put a lot of conditioner just because, as I said, it's really dry. I was meant to actually cut it this month because I was actually meant to go visit my mom in Spain. She lives there even though we're Italian, and I had made an appointment to cut it there and also go a bit lighter, but obviously coronavirus happens, so yeah, I probably won't go to Spain anytime soon, and I'm not sure whether they're actually opening hairdressers soon. But I feel like it's so long and it doesn't necessarily grow fast, but it's so long that even if I mess up, first of all, no one is gonna see it anytime soon, and then also, you know, I think there's margin for correction when I do end up going to a professional hairdresser. So yeah, for now I am positive and, you know, optimistic, but if I end up in tears, well, please forgive me. Right, so what I think I'm going to do is brush it all forward and put it in that ponytail that you basically put like 3 elastic bands in front of you, and then you cut the ends to obtain the first, you know, the layering. So I'm gonna go get some hair bands. I'm gonna, yeah, first brush it all in front, cut it, and then we'll see. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Alright, so I look ridiculous. So what I did is brush it all forward and then using strength to make sure that it's all pulled equally. I'm trying to literally pull my hair forward, and then what I think I'm going to do is the last bit. When you put it forward, it does have this like, what's it called, like steepness. So what I think I'm going to do now is cut that. We'll see. So what I'm gonna do now is rebrush it forward and recorrect it. Again, I'm gonna pull down, maintaining the line a bit more. Pretty equal. There we go. And point cut again. So this is how it came out after the ponytail on the front and cutting it. So I'm just gonna quickly brush it. The ends are already like going dry, so I'm not sure whether it will be easier or harder to see how this turned out. So I would say that the hair at the back is still pretty long. Well, some of them are shorter actually. Let me see. So if I go literally at the top of the back, like the difference is still not much. The layers should be really visible, which at the front they are. This piece here is way shorter than these pieces here. So I don't know, I think actually I will leave it to that because I did cut quite a lot. I don't know, it's still, as you can see, very puffy. I think I'm gonna leave it to that and then revise it in a month. I don't know, you tell me. I did look quite stressed, so sorry about that. If it's terrible, then it's terrible. If you don't want to do it, then please don't do it. I just did it to try it because, again, last time I did it, it was like years ago. This time actually went quite well, so I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry. Now that basically I'm all showered already, I'm just gonna get changed, gonna have some lunch, and I think later we're gonna just do a quick workout here at home with me. So a lot went wrong since the last clip of my lunch. I was setting up the camera to do my workout and the camera fell forward and the lens basically crashed on the inside on an angle. So it has been a full week of trying to fix that, praying that the camera wasn't wrong, just the lens, then waiting for the replacement. So yeah, this video is definitely not what I was planning, but you know, stuff happens. I was lucky enough that this was something replaceable, so we shall now go forward, even though it's a whole week later from the last clip. So yeah, on an update about the hair, now that I've obviously washed it and dried it multiple times, I feel like it is alright. I really do think that I got rid of all the open ends and I did create a little bit of layering, although it's still quite puffy, but it's how my hair is, so I can't do really much about that. So yeah, everything is good, so we shall pretend that this is indeed being filmed all in one day, and I will now go and do my workout as I promised I will show you. And yeah, I was really trying to do a bit of a different video. It was a complete disaster. It's definitely not what I was planning. It's definitely not what I was hoping to create, but we shall learn and move forward. So I really hope you liked it anyways. I'm really sorry for being such a disaster. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. And now we shall just get into the workout and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!